Now I am taking one problem where we will verify that the given progression is GP or not, and if it is GP, then we will find which is its general term. So the question is, check whether the progression 2, 6, 18, 54, is GP or not. Here first number is 2 of this progression, so I say A1 is equals to 2. Second is clearly A2 is 6, A3 is 18, A4 is 54. These are the terms and so on. Question is to check whether it is GP or not. We will find, is A2 upon A1 same as A3 upon A2 is same as A4 upon A3? That is, common ratio is equal or not. It is A2 is 6, A1 is 2. A3 is what? 18, this is 6. A4 is 54 and A3 is 18. In each case we are finding the division, the quotient comes 3. So common ratio of this progression of the successive terms is equal. So we can declare yes, this progression is a GP. If it is GP, then we need to find its general term. Formula for finding the general term is A r raised to the power n minus 1. What's A here? A is 2. What's r? As obtained 3. That's to the power n minus 1. So the general term of given geometric progression is 2 multiplied 3 raised to power n minus 1. Use of this, if I put, that is an is obtained 2 into 3 raised to the power n minus 1. If I put n is equals to 1, I will find A1 is 2. If I put n is equals to 2, I will find it is 6. At 3, I will find 18. At 4, I will find 54. So use of the general term is to obtain the location, the position or the net value of any term. So this is the method where we have verified that given progression is geometric, and we have obtained how to find. We have given you the formula and answer of the general term also.